This tutorial covers the Lixel L2 Pro vehicle mount. The Lixel L2 Pro vehicle mount kit includes You'll also need your Lixel L2 Pro with RTK. Place the vehicle mount flat at the center of the vehicle's rear. Adjust front-to-back angle to ensure the platform is level. Press the red button to activate the electric suction cup. Gently press the suction cup to ensure proper attachment to the vehicle surface. Insert the vehicle battery into the V-slot on the mount's back panel. Connect power cables. Install the back clamp on the Lixel L2 Pro, then slide the Lixel L2 Pro into the mount's guide rail. Connect the power wire's other end to the battery. At the center console, connect the alarm power cable to the alarm unit. The alarm will automatically display suction cup status. The alarm will automatically warn the driver of any suction cup issues. Place the vehicle mount flat at the center of the vehicle's rear. Press the red button to activate the electric suction cup. Gently press the suction cup to ensure proper attachment to the vehicle surface. Connect power cables. Then slide the Lixel L2 Pro into the mount's guide rail. Insert the handle battery. Tighten the knob. Connect the other end of the power cord to the handle battery. At the center console, connect the alarm power cable to the alarm unit. The alarm will automatically display suction cup status. The alarm will automatically warn the driver of any suction cup issues. Press and hold the button to power on the Lixel L2 Pro. In the Lixel Go app, set mounting mode to vehicle. Tap Start, the device will automatically begin data collection. Open LixelStudio, click Project Processing in the upper left. Import data. LixelStudio will recognize the data as vehicle collected. Click Start to process the data.